Good morning, everybody. It is Mindy, and this is my first video since vacation. I have something extra special to show you here today. As you can tell, it is from Crystal Canvas Arts, one of my very favorite companies. And the owner, Amy, contacted me and asked me if I wanted to help her with something special. And I said, absolutely. I love Amy. I'm excited to meet Amy here in a couple of weeks, coming to the retreat, her and her daughter. So anyhow, I have been a lover of Crystal Canvas Arts from like way back. I have plenty of their kits. I've done several of their kits, and they are always very nice. Amy is always working on new things, making her product better, improving, and this is no exception. So let's show you what we have, okay? Super excited to get into this. All right, so this is her canvas, and her canvas is now a little different. They have gone to a soft lint, soft backed canvas, and it's super nice. I just ordered a couple of new paintings that came in. Well, I ordered some paintings. One was new, one was not. But the new one was on this canvas, and it is lovely. It is so nice. Nice and soft on the back, that felt type back. Love it. Okay, now this has 43 colors. It is an 80 by 40. Look at the drill field of this thing, you guys. It is super, super clear. Look at those symbols. Beautiful. It's going to be lovely. Here are all of their symbols on the key, on the legend over here. Love it. Okay, this one's a little different. It's a little different. This is a square drill crystal kit. All square rhinestones, all square crystals. Okay, she's had a few in the past, and she came out with, I don't know, 7 or 8 new ones that are all full square. Super exciting. These are kind of in what we would call test mode. She's trying to make sure that everything is, the way she wants it with these, and we're giving it a go. Now, you can order these currently on the website. They are available. I believe there's 7 or 8 different designs. This is the one that her and I decided together I would work on. It's one that no one has tested for her yet, and so I'm going to work on it, putting down some drills and letting her know how they look. So it's kind of a twofold thing. I'm introducing you to square drill kits that they have, and I'm going to test one for her. So isn't it beautiful? It's absolutely gorgeous. It's just this beautiful sunset over the water with a hot air balloon. It's very, very pretty. Now, they did a couple things, and I can't remember exactly what they were. There's a couple different little tweaks she's still working on with this company, this manufacturer, to get everything exactly the way she wants. But, to my eye right here, everything looks great. It's got her logo at the bottom. Their name is at the top. Crystal Canvas Art Designs. The legend. I mean, it all looks good, right? It all looks really good. Let's see how sticky it is. It's pretty good and sticky. Yeah, I think it's pretty nice. So that's the picture. It's very beautiful. I'm excited to work on it. All right. The toolkit that comes with this. I've been with Amy long enough to see several versions of toolkits come along. And this is the current one. So let's get it out and show you what comes in this toolkit. All right. Oh, hang on. There's one more. One more multi-placer in there. Come on out. All right. So we get the MOSFA type boat. It does not say MOSFA there, but it's a MOSFA type boat. We have that. I've been with her from the green trays to the double-sided square trays. We've had it all. But this one's pretty nice. This one comes with multi-placers, a 4 and a 7. I love that. Those are nice. My favorite placers ever. Still prefer those. You get a clear, sparkly pen with a comfort grip, your little squishy there to make your pen more comfortable. This actually comes with tweezers. So if you're a tweezer person, and I know a lot of people are, especially people like to do their squares with tweezers. These are square rhinestones, right? And then the wax, which is a blue wax. I actually really like blue wax and white wax, especially for rhinestones. Rhinestones can be a little tricky sometimes, and you have to find the right wax for them, and then they work great. Okay, on the drills is the kit number, CCAD, Crystal Canvas Art Designs, 06. And is that on the canvas somewhere? I don't know. Usually it is. Yep, it's right here, 006. There's the number of our kit. I like this a lot. And look at the beautiful colors here. The blues, the oranges, pinks, purples. Let's look at some, because this is super exciting. It is my first square kit I have gotten from her. So I'm super excited to get into it. All right. Let's look at a few. All right, so here is just a yellow and a green, but let's look at a really pretty color. Look at all of these beautiful blues. Here are the square drills. Here's what they look like. They look super nice, very shiny, very pretty, very sparkly. This tells us our number. Oh, this is one of the things. This is a DMC number. And she likes to go by the crystal code. And so she's going to work with the company and see if they will convert this to the crystal code for her. These are DMC numbers currently. That was one of the things that she wanted to make sure they kind of fixed for her. But, you know, at this point, we can match up what a crystal code is with the DMC code ourselves if you like to save them and organize them, things like that. All right, so just beautiful colors. Absolutely beautiful. Do I have any black in mine? I do. I want to look at the black because black is typically like a resin drill, the opaque type. Look at these colors. Aren't they gorgeous? I want to see what the black looks like. Look at that blue. These are lovely looking. They're absolutely beautiful. They are in no particular order in this bag. Okay, this is going to be a large part of my background. $7.96. 2 bags of that. Let's see if I can find black. Where's our black? Here it is, right here. Okay, let's check out the black. Let's see. Where's my tray? Here's my tray. To save the day. I have 2 bags of black, actually. Okay, let's look at these and let's see if they are still the resin, because usually you need to have the black resin to make things pop for you. Let's see. Look up close. Man, they are super shiny. God, they almost look crystal. Are they or are they not? They are so shiny that they look like rhinestones. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Huh. I don't know. Wow, look at how shiny those things are, though. Can you tell? Whew. Yeah, it would be very interesting if they were actually crystal or rhinestone because, normally you can kind of see through the rhinestones a little bit more. Not see through them, but that's why the silver backing's on the back. But wow, those are really pretty. Okay, I'm excited to work on this. I want to put some drills on this and I want to see how this shapes up. I'm going to try to do some progress pictures for Amy and let her know how it's turning out. And if I'm encountering any difficulties or anything like that. But see, there's my 2 bags of black. And just more and more beautiful colors. Pinks, oranges. I mean, this is pretty much all the colors of the rainbow are here. Right? Just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Love this one. Has to be one of my favorites. This color here. Beautiful. Just love it. Greens, more teals, oranges, yellows. Lots of 741. This nice golden color. That's beautiful, right? All of these gold colors in here in this sunset. Gorgeous. Or maybe sunrise. Who knows? There it is. Anyhow, very, very pretty. So they are having a sale right now. Please check out their sale. I have a screenshot of the details somewhere. Maybe I can slip that in here. I believe it's buy 2 and you get some others for like $10 maybe. She's done that sale before. I think it's a select choice that you can get, but I'll put the screenshot of what the sale is so that you can go check it out yourself. Let's zoom you out one more time so that you can see how beautiful this is. Okay, I said zoom out. No, it doesn't. Okay, there we go. Listen to me, camera. Listen. All right. There it is. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. What do you think? So I will link it below. I will link their store below. Check them out. They do a lovely job. I'm always impressed. Like I said, everything I've completed so far has just been lovely. I've done 3 or 4, I think, and I loved every one. So, and check out their sale. All right. Stay tuned. I will be posting some pictures of this along the way. I'm sending them to her, and I'll let you guys see them as well. So I'll probably just throw them up on my community tab when I get some things done. All right. Okay. That's all I have, folks. Thank you very much for watching. And I hope that you, I really do hope you check out their store because they're wonderful people. Amy is just a sweetheart and they work very hard and their company has grown. They're doing wonderful things. So thanks for hanging out for a little while and thanks for supporting me as well. I appreciate it. And I will talk to everybody soon. Look for those pictures coming up in the future to see how this is turning out. All right. I'll talk to everybody soon. Bye, you guys.